carried out a remedial work due to excessive clearance on the shaft of Windlass. The clearance of the shaft causes noise and wiggling during its operation. After measurement, the shaft machining of Windlass was performed and rebuilt the surfaces using an electric arc welding. Later on, the shaft was finally machined in position into desired diameter according to new bushing dimension, provided, which was done on its position using a tool post from Onboard universal lathe. The refacing of the shaft resulted in good saving efficiently the time and cost till next dry docking schedule.